in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add shapes to your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up PowerPoint, select the Home tab, and then over here above Drawing, you can click the little downward arrow and select the different shapes you may want to insert into your presentation, and you can select the different shape effects. You can adjust the color of them, the fill, the text effects, all that good stuff. And again, you can do that for a variety of different shapes in here by going through this list. You can insert pretty much anything, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.